Life doesn't come with experiences. Life doesn't come with a manual, but it comes with experiences. And those experiences grow us in different ways. So today, ngisendaweni yaseDlangezwa with a very young, talented man. And his name is Saziso.
Sanibonani babuyela emakhaya lona esimbonala kule video ubhuti uSaziso Ngonyama endaweni yaseDlangezwa one talent elihle kakhulu uqhamuke endaweni yaseNkandla but okwamanje usaseDlangezwa ufunde wagcina kwa grade 11 ngenxa yinkinga ayebhekene nazo wagcina engakwazi ukuthi aphothule izifundo zakhe lana ke besibonisa iproject yakhe leyayenzile itrack umuntu o talented kakhulu because leli track leli liduma ngopetrol leli track leli lixhuma kuyilokhuzana kwi-power bank ukuze likwazi ukuthi li-operate isifiso sakhe ukuthi athole abantu abazomsiza ukuze akhulise ulwazi lwakhe uthi uyafisa ukuthi agcine ngempela yengisho ko-China akwazi ukuthi akhulise ulwazi lakhe lokwazi ukuthi akha ama-truck kanje asebenzele i-community yangakubo ngoba unesifiso sokuthi naye ngelinye ilanga abe nenkampani yakhe ezokwazi ukuthi abantu uma benama-truck akanje bewathenge kuyena lapho kuyobe se-create amathuba omsebenzi lapha eSouth Africa. Siyacela kuma kukhona inkampani engakwazi ukuthi imthathe noma imsize it's either ila South Africa or ingaphandle siyacela ukuthi nisithinte thina sobeke sesidlulisela ama details akhe kunina. Siyabonga kakhulu uma ngempela sihlanganile saphumelelisa iphupho lika Saziso. Siyabonga kakhulu for